Hello, this is Alex Kazmark for the FXEdge.com, and this is your free daily Forex video for Monday, November 16th, 2009. Quick reminder before I begin, the purpose of this free daily video is education and not an alert service. I'm not going to make any trade recommendations, but what I am going to do is point out levels of support and resistance for the next 12 to 24 hours. Please keep in mind that trading with leverage is very risky, so please don't trade any real money until you've established a proven track record of success on a demo account. Trading conditions are always changing, so make sure to watch tomorrow's video to stay updated. Well, worse than expected news from the US couldn't push the buck over the edge on Friday. Will it happen this week? To answer the question, we will be looking at more economic data this week to see how the economic recovery is progressing. Key numbers to watch out for out of the US are retail sales, PPI and CPI numbers, the very important tick long-term purchases, building permits, and unemployment claims. It does look like the euro-dollar wants to push higher, but without enough buyers in the market, the pair risks setting lower highs following a further rejection of the 150 level. Currently trading at 149.50. That is our first level of resistance. Just a few minutes ago, we were below that level. At this point, we're going to take the 149.50 level off and keep that in for future reference in case this might turn into a level of support for the euro in the future. First level of resistance is now going to be at 150, followed by 150.20 and 150.50. First area of support for the euro will be at 149.20, followed by 148.20, 148, 147.20, and our fifth level of support at the 146.80 level. Looking at the pound dollar, currently trading at 167.25. First level of support is going to be at the 167.20 level. Given that we're very close to that level now, we're going to use that as we're going to keep that there, but we're not going to mention it until later in the week, perhaps, as it might turn in as a level of support for the pound if it manages to break higher. Our first level of support now is going to be at 167 even. Below that will be at 166.40. Our third level will be at 165.20. Fourth level at 164.50. Below that, we'll be looking for 162.50 as a major area of support for the pound. First area of resistance is now going to be at 168.44, being this last pivot high. Above that, we'll be looking for 170. Taking a look at the dollar Swissy, currently trading at 100.94. Our first level of support is now going to be below the one figure at 100.30. Below that, we'll be looking at parity. If we break parity, we'll be looking for 0.9883 as our third level of support for the dollar. First level of resistance is now going to be at 101.30. Followed by 102. Above that, we'll be looking for 102.80, 103.50, and if we manage to break above and close above the 102.80 level and eventually above the 103.50 level, our last level of resistance is going to be at the 104.50 before further buying prices. Lastly, we're going to be looking at dollar yen, currently trading at 89.61. Our first area of support will be at the 89.50 level. A break below that is going to be targeting 88.80. Below that will be 88.20. Our fourth level of support for the dollar will be at the 87.20 level. First area of resistance is going to be at the 90.80 figure. Above that, we'll be looking at 91.50, 92, and 92.30 follow. And eventually, a break above 92.30 will target 93.20. In the meantime, we do expect this pair to stay within the 90.80 level and the 88.80. If you'd like a more detailed analysis with potential trade opportunities, please join us in the members section. This has been Alex Kazmark for the FXEdge.com free daily Forex video for November 16th, 2009. Until tomorrow, good luck trading.